My name is Fernando Sisneros, and I'm with Cisneros Brothers Manufacturing. We are a sheet metal manufacturer. We primarily build industrial type ductwork, and we're located in Belen, New Mexico. We have been in business close to 40 years now. Um, Many of the things that I like about the job that I do is, the chance to build something with your hands. You're taking something from a simple piece of sheet metal and you're building something that you can physically hold and see. Um, the other thing I like is when you go to different buildings and and you're able to look and say, hey, I built a part of this building. I've done this in this area here, that. So I really enjoy those aspects of our industry of being able to, and I guess being proud of what you've built and being able to physically see the things that you've built. One of the things I like about my job, is the opportunity for growth. We're able to advance here in our shop, working out in the shop, or eventually working your way into the office if you're interested in doing things as sales or estimating and things like that. So that's some of the things I like about the jobs that I do here. So some of the things that we look for when we're looking for new employees, we look one that they're reliable. We like to see the basic soft skills, I guess you would call them. They show up on time, they dress appropriately for whatever the work conditions are, and then that they listen and are willing to learn. It's no matter how old you are, being willing to learn new things and to be able to adapt and change is things that we really look for in individuals during our hiring processes. Some of the red flags that we may see, is when we get in an application, we see, they hop around from job to job every 6 months or something like that. We kind of see like, okay, well, what's going on here? And the other things that we look for is if they constantly show up late or miss a lot of days without letting us know in advance. Those are some red flags that we always look for. And some of the things that we like to see on some of the resumes that may come through is community service. We're a very family and community oriented business. So if we see on their resume that we volunteer here, we help out this, whether it be through their church or through whatever it is, we really appreciate looking for that kind of stuff, that they're community oriented. We feel that's important to give back to our community. And all of Valencia County, we support all of Valencia County all the time. And so we appreciate to see, that our employees are willing to do that type of stuff as well. And sometimes when we're looking for employees, the best way to find them is sometimes, word of mouth, somebody knows somebody, or many times we are at a store. So a lot of teenagers work, department stores or restaurants, and we say, you know what, this kid has really good customer service skills. They're really friendly, very approachable, and we really look for that. So there's been several employees that we found, working a temporary job somewhere else, and we say, you know what, we have to find out who this kid is and get his name and see if they're interested in working for us later on. So that's something that we look for, how they act, outside of the school, I guess, as well. And we also we see some kids, through the schools, through teachers, that may recommend kids. So like I said, it's important, we see we get references from teachers sometimes, say, hey, you got to take a look at this kid. He's a good kid, a hard worker. And so we take that all into account when looking for new hires. Any kid, that's seniors in high school or anything like that, that's interested, they're always welcome to come by our shop, take a look at what we do, kind of see some of the fabrication processes that we do. We do cutting, we do bending, we do welding. A major part of the fabrication that we do is welding. And so I know there's a lot of kids out there that enjoy welding and enjoy building stuff with their hands. So, if any of them are interested, they're always welcome. We have an open door and they could come in and ask for an application, and we'll give them a tour through the shop and show them what we do.